Campus This Week.
Hi everyone, welcome to episode 70 of Campus This Week. I'm Arjani from English Department Sonada, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Siliguri, 42 years manufacturing sports commodities. Siliguri, Salesian College celebrates 75th Independence Day. Cadet Bandana Biswakarma of History Department 5th semester reports.
Salesian College, Siliguri campus celebrated Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav marking 75th anniversary of the independence of India. ANO Salesian College Lieutenant Risha Chetri escorted the chief guest Colonel Balraj Gurung, SM Commanding Officer 16 Bengal Battalion NCC, and Sri Gautam Deb, Mayor of Siliguri Municipal Corporation, along with Rector and Principal Father Dr. Jot Dadil. After hoisting the flag and welcome words by the principal, there was a drill display by NCC and NNS, followed by dance, song, and skit performances. Speeches explaining the significance of the day were delivered in English, Hindi, and Nepali languages. 10 colleges participated in the inter-college drill competition, in which Naxalbari College secured first and Salesian College Siliguri campus was runner-up. Celebration concluded with a vote of thanks by Lieutenant Risha Chetri.
Siliguri, College hosts Education and Culture Commission meet. 12 principals attend. Brother Sunil Kerketta of Political Science, 5th semester, reports.
Salesian College Siliguri hosted the Education and Culture Commission of Kolkata Province. Besides 12 principals of Don Bosco schools, 5 Salesian College faculty members participated. Presentations at the meeting included topics: Reimaging Education, Catholic and Salesian, by Rector of Salesian College, Sonada, Father Dr. Tommy Augustine; Salesian School Policy on Admissions, Staff Recruitment and Salary, by Father Sibi Vadakal; National Education Policy and its Implementation and Impact, by Vice Principal, Salesian College, Siliguri, Father Dr. Babu Joseph, and Dr. Dipankar Rudro of Management Studies. Coordinator of Education and Culture Commission, Father Nobi George, coordinated the program.
Siliguri, workshop held on tea tasting. Aditi Agarwal of Mass Communication, 3rd semester, reports.
On 18th August 2022, Department of Management Studies conducted a workshop on tea tasting by Mr. S.S. Selvam, Chairman of Tea Academy. Students and faculty members of the Management Department participated in the workshop. Tea Academy Coimbatore was established in December 2021 and has 2 branches in Coimbatore and Siliguri respectively. Founder Director Mr. S.S. Selvam introduced CTC, that is, crushing, tearing and curling, Darjeeling Orthodox tea and green tea. The speaker gave theoretical as well as the practical knowledge of blending and tea tasting. The speaker tasted the tea and also opened up the floor for the students and faculty members to taste the varieties of tea, including green tea with mango, green tea premium, hotel blend and Darjeeling tea.
Siliguri, Brainbow Association holds Freshers Orientation. Shaili Sarkar of Psychology Department, 3rd semester, reports.
The Brainbow Association of Psychology Department
Salesian College, Siliguri organized an orientation program on 20th of August 2022 for the newly admitted undergraduates. The orientation session aimed at introducing first-year students to the Brainbow Association, its origin, motive, and plans. The interactive session created and provided a casual environment for all the students to get to know each other through means of introductions and various group activities. Salesian College Principal and Vice Principal of Arts and Humanities, along with the faculty members of the department and a large number of its students, joined the program.
Siliguri, Psycho-Socio-Praxis students participate at World Senior Citizens Day. Rani Kumari of BSW 5th semester reports.
Students of BSW Sociology and Psychology participated at World Senior Citizens Day organized by Human Rights Association of India on 21st August 2022 at Dinabandhu Manch, Siliguri. State President of Human Rights Association Sri Rahagir Fazil, Superintendent of Correctional Home, Bagrakot, Sri Deepak Sarki, and Vice President of Siliguri Singh Sahab Gurudwara, Sri Jatendra Pyara Singh, Founder President of Varisht Mahila Samuh, Mrs. Sudha Pasi, were present along with students of different schools and colleges. Speakers enlightened audience about elderly people, how young people should pay more attention to elderly people, should reduce isolation of older adults, and above all, not to neglect the elderly. Audience was also reminded of 2007 Act, which says both daughter-in-law and son-in-law should be responsible for care of senior citizens along with son and daughter.
Sonada, students celebrate Boscojayanti with Rome visitor. Sidhant Tamang of Mass Communication 5th semester reports.
On 16th August, students of Salesian College, Sonada celebrated birthday of Don Bosco along with the special guest General Councillor of Social Communications Father Gildacio Mendes from Rome. The event started with prayer dance followed by welcome words by Vice Principal Father Nirmal Topo. After some cultural performances, Father Gildacio released a book by alumnus Father Saloj Mullik. The Bengali language book is named Salesio Shohojogider Gothon Prokrika Nirdeshika. Father Gildacio addressed students encouraging positive use of social media and fielded questions during the lively interactive session. The event came to an end with cultural dance by students of Mass Communication Department.
Siliguri, Rome Visitor Honors Campus This Week core team. Saba Hassan of Mass Communication 5th semester reports.
Rome Visitor General Councillor for Social Communications Father Dr. Gildacio Mendes honored Campus This Week radio and television team on 17 August 2022 at Salesian College, Siliguri. Among 16 people honored under 8 categories for the outstanding contribution to social communications, Ministry of Salesian College, Siliguri and Sonada were for Campus This Week. Podcast and YouTube production members RJ Moses, RJ Ani, Mr. Bacha Das and Miss Siddhi Singh. Each one received a silk scarf and plaque with citation. Other awardees listed in 8 categories for recognition by Boscom South Asia Kolkata Province Delegate Father Arvind Khalko were Radio Salesian RJ Samir, Salesian News Asia Pacific, Podcast and YouTube Productions RJ Baryan and Mr. Bruno Thapa. Translation and publication of Salesian College Miss Monica Mukhya, Miss Palepcha, Dr. Terence Mukhya and Mr. Alfred Diwan. And IT Coordinator of Salesian College Mr. Dhirodatta Subba and Ms. Yadika Prasad. Kolkata-based social media associates receiving awards were Media Agency Promoting Salesian Works, Radio Salesian Major Sponsor and Salesian YouTube Ministry Kolkata Promoter.
And here's our photo of the week. Salesian College Siliguri girls basketball team brings home runners-up trophy from late alumni Pranish and Lokesh Memorial Tournament held at Salesian College Sonada on 20th of August 2022. This show is brought to you by Siliguri, 42 years manufacturing sports commodities. And those are the latest news from campus this week. Enjoy the rest of your day.